Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the proof by fountain without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, and go feed the cup.
Welcome back, guys. So today I say, you know what, I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. For you guys, I'm currently getting ready for a casual kind of dinner. So I actually just got done with installing this here. I'm not quite done with, you know, finessing it and all of that. So yeah, but okay, so I'm excited, right? So I'm going to be trying out some new products. If you follow me on my vlog channel, you would have known, you would have seen that I got some new makeup products, right? And I'm so excited to go ahead and try them. So I actually went ahead and moisturized with this cream here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. So I've heard a lot of good things about this, and I said, you know what, guys, no mind my finger, so fix it. Must so fix it. So I went ahead and rubbed that on like a couple minutes ago, just letting that sit. I'm gonna go in with my primer now. So moisturizing is something that I never really stressed a lot, but I've always said it's so important. I just never practiced it enough, and it's something that I'm getting into more now because I'm trying to take my skin more seriously and stuff. And my skin is kind of breaking out right now because it's going through like a purge. I started using a new line, and that's just what I'm experiencing right now. So for today's primer, right? So what happened is, when I ordered these products, I don't know what happened. I ordered them from Sephora.com, by the way, if you want to know where I got them, Sephora.com. So I don't know, I guess I didn't realize the sizing that I was choosing. Everything came mini. Like, what is mini may I tell you? But I've heard so many good things about this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and so this is what we're using for today's primer. What I used before was my Fenty, and it's always got the job done, you know. So but I'm so excited for this because, you know, they said this is more like, you know, even though it's makeup, it's like skincare because it takes care of the skin. It's not like clogging the pores. It's like, it's really great with like the ingredients and stuff. So I'm so excited because before I went ahead and purchased any of these, I made sure to do like my research on them and everything. So I'm so happy to like fully get a chance to like try them now. And I say, you know what, this afternoon is a perfect timing to do so. How convenient, the two of these fingernails broke off. Like, them plan. I prefer to just use my fingers to apply my primer. I'm gonna move on to my brows. So I don't know, I think I told you guys, but I don't fill in my brows anymore. It's been like almost 2 years now since I've filled in my brows, because if you guys don't know, my brows are microbladed. One of the best beauty decisions ever. I never thought I wanted it. I didn't need it, but I never thought I wanted it until I gifted the service to my sister, and when I saw how. Now, I've seen some microblading jobs, and that's why I feel like it turned me away from trying it. It's like, it just never looks spectacular. But my brow tech, she's the truth. And I did multiple vlogs of when I went to get that done. So please go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE TV. Go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE. It was a while ago, but when you go on the channel, just go in videos, and I'm pretty sure you'll see it. I don't need a pomade, a pencil. I'm so content with how they look, you know. I feel like maybe a couple months from now I'll go back and get like a touch-up. The last time I got a touch-up, I believe, was like last year, September, and we're almost at September. What? And by the way, when you get microblade, for the most part, it's supposed to last you like 2 years. Yeah, I have nice brows or whatever, but my brows were thinning because I was shaping them myself and I was just messing up the shape. I'ma just keep it real. I just gonna mash up the shape. So I'm happy me to go do the little microblading, and it saves so much time with doing makeup application. So I'm actually not going to dip into any of my new products. I'm gonna use an oldie but goodie, my Fawn Pro Conceal, Pro Concealing Fawn concealer, because these days I just prefer this for my underbrow. I usually would go lighter, but sometimes it all depends on the look and the mood. I don't need it to be that light. So guys, right off the bat, I'm just telling you, I'm doing a very simple face. So my next regular is Il Makiage, but today Il Makiage, one of my favorites for sure, but today I'm going in with my Fenty, and I wear 410. This is the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte. So this is what I put on the top of my brows. I really like to keep it as natural as possible. When I will like highlight the bottom, I don't want the top to look highlighted. I want it to stay looking like natural. So now that I've done that, I am literally going to just move on to my foundation. As you can see, I already applied the primer. Everything is looking good. So usually when I wear this, so that's the amount of pumps I did. Usually when I wear this, you know, it keeps, you know, it stays. Like I've never had a problem. This is the reason why it's one of my favorite. So I'm just using my damp beauty sponge to tap this in. Next product I'm using is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Sand. That's the one that we're using. Super coverage is what it says on the back here. So I've heard so much good about this as well, and so that's the reason why I wanted to use it. This one is so thick. I know that this product will run out so quick. The coverage, yeah, this feels good. Guys, this concealer blended like a dream. The coverage is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this with my guys, as I said, the sizing, man, I know I'm gonna find Sephora, everything just chaff. Cause like, what, look at this mini pan. I have the other Laura Mercier powders, and it's the normal size, like the bigger size. When I got this, I was like, what? I have the other shade, the deep. This is the translucent honey that I got. I don't have the honey, so I said, you know, I needed that. It's gonna come together. We're gonna calm down this lightness in a few. So for this part, guys, as you can see, I'm just applying my pressed powder. So I got a brand new pressed powder, but the thing is that it was too light. It was a Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder, but it was way too light. So definitely didn't make it into my new set of products for my makeup routine. So I'm using my OG Milani pressed powder, as you saw, and then I'm going into my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit, and I'm just gonna warm up the face even more with that. I don't do like a super contour vibe, but you know, I just warm up the face real nicely. And yeah. Yeah, got the face all nice and bronzed. Yeah, so yeah, that one like the shade I bought from Charlotte Tilbury is just too light for the pressed powder, so I'm gonna revisit that because I bought everything online. That's how I selected everything. For Makiage, to choose their shade, guys, you already know they have a quiz, and the quiz is very accurate. That's how I got my shade. And actually, the first time I bought this, I bought it in a store, and it was quite easy for me to select my shade. But this is how we're looking. So you see, I make the eyes just stay really minimal. No, what I'm really gonna put to the test is this setting spray. This is a mattifying waterproof setting spray. It's Until Dawn. It's one size. I've heard too many good things about this spray. I'm so excited to go ahead and try this now. I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I just need to do the lips. That's all. And yeah, don't watch the lip. I still put on my liner and stuff, but I'm just gonna spray this down. I'm gonna do a whole matte soft glam. I'm not doing any highlight or anything, right? Me, right? Remember one time I would do a face without any illuminator, but I still do it, and it's just that today I just want to go full on matte, so that's what I'm doing. And you see, I didn't apply any strip lash because I'm wearing Fusion at the moment. They're falling out gradually, but they've lasted. It's been weeks now I've been wearing this, so it's a go. So I'm just gonna spray my face with this. This sprays down so heavy. Wow. I'm gonna use my fan. Have my little handy dandy fan here. Ooh. So I just dry it down. And it dries down almost instant. I don't know if you guys realize. Almost instant. My face is looking, it doesn't feel stiff. It does have a scent, but it's not like super overbearing, because I've used setting sprays in the past, like waterproof, and immediately my face just feel kind of stiff, too stiff and stuff. But my face, it looks super matte. This is perfect if you know you're gonna be wearing the makeup all day. And then I have the Hydro Grip primer going on. I am so excited to see how this is going to wear. I'm gonna do my lips now. I'm going to line my lips with my brown liner. You guys know, I'm just doing one of my favorite combos. And this liner is actually an eyeliner, a brow liner. This is Airewoman. I've been using this for years. For years. You can get this at a corner shop here in Jamaica for like $100, $200, JMD that is. So you know, in USD it would be like maybe $1. Yeah. I'm using my Makiage lip gloss. This is their lip service in Guilt Trip. That's the one I'm using. It's a nice nude. It has like, I don't know if you guys gonna be able to pick this up, but it has like some nice little like glitter, like an iridescent glow to it. It's really pretty, but it's not heavy like on the glitter look. You know, it's just a nice glow. So I like to do this combo with my lips, like with my lip looks. And I wear this lip look the most, apart from just wearing clear lip gloss. And guys, I'm so excited because I have some new products coming from Makiage that I want to show you guys soon, so I hope you stay tuned for that. Now it's time for me to just finish up with my hair. Now guys, I do have a separate video on this hair, so I'm gonna go ahead, straighten it, and then I'll come back to you when I'm done and we can get to the clothes and my scent and my shoes and all that stuff of what I'm wearing tonight. Well, this evening. As I said, I'm going very casual. It's been raining all day, so I feel like this, you know, hoodie is very fitting. Oh, by the way, yes, so the fit is the hoodie and the hat. They're from Slang Tees here in Jamaica. Shout out to them. The bag is from Coach. The jeans, the white pants, it's from Fashion Nova, I believe.
I know you want me. Every day not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my lips always commit you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise. So why don't you stand up, baby?
So yeah, and for my fragrance, I am doing Coco Noir this evening. Why isn't it focusing yet? Coco Chanel Noir. So for the outfit, I don't really the vibes of the perfume, but I have something feel today, so I'm gonna wear it. This is what I want. When me I put on fragrance, my bathing night. I think I'm gonna layer this with something else. I'm gonna layer this. I'm not sure what this is the main character for today's fragrance. So this is what I smell like, if you're wondering. And yeah, I'm not really gonna wear the hat right through. I'm just gonna take like a few pictures. So yeah. But yeah guys, that's it for today's Get Ready With Me. Let me know if you found this informative, like, you know, with the makeup portion and stuff. I'm going to be sure to drop them down in my description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, you know. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Go and pick up on yourself, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so I'm coming back to give you an update. Many drinks later, many hours later, it's actually the next day. I did my makeup from the 26th of August, right around 4ish in the afternoon. Let me show you guys the time right now that I'm filming this. You see this? It's August 27th and it's 12:36. This is my makeup. I haven't retouched it, didn't apply any more powder, anything. You know, some of my natural oils are coming through on my skin and it looks totally fine. For the most part, I feel like the matte spray really worked in terms of, you know, controlling the oils. I give these products a 10. I give this whole like application a 10. Usually I'd be creasing a lot here, and it's very light creasing, very light creasing. So I needed to do this update for you guys to let you know how the products actually wear, and it's a 10. It's a 10. But yeah, I just came back to wrap this video up and let you guys know that yeah, it's a go. Anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.